What is an affiliate marketing? I'll try to answer this question in this short video. Keep watching till the end. So basically, the affiliate marketing is a form of a digital marketing in which you, instead of promoting your own product or selling your own product, you promote the product of somebody else, first building your audience, and you build up an audience either on through your website or through your social media accounts like the Instagram, Facebook, and the Pinterest, and you can do that through the YouTube channel also. And you introduce the product through the affiliate link to your audience, and when somebody from your audience buys that product through your link, you get a small commission which that affiliate program has already specified. This can be generally starting from 5%, and it can even go to as high as $100 and even sometimes more than that. While there are many intricacies in this affiliate program which we will discuss in this complete series on affiliate program, the one and the only point which I want to cover in this video is regarding the cookies. Now, once somebody visits through your link to a product page, like for example this Amazon page, and they visit to any product and they buy any product, basically what happens is that a cookie is saved in their browser, and that cookie becomes a reference for the company that this person has purchased that product through your link. Now, the cookies durations are specified in the affiliate program. Generally speaking, the cookie duration is for example, in case of an Amazon, is 24 hours. So which means that if somebody visits the Amazon, buys something from the Amazon through your link, within the 24 hours after clicking your link, you will earn a commission. But if they buy it after 24 hours, you will not get the commission. And this cookie duration can go up to days and sometimes even months. So within, for example, if a cookie duration is 90 days, if somebody clicks your link and if they buy that product even within the next 90 days, you will still earn the commission. The last point in terms of the cookies is that whether the cookie rule specified in the affiliate program is first cookie or last cookie, which means that whether the first cookie would win or the last cookie would win. The first cookie win means that if somebody has visited the Amazon product page or any affiliate product page which you are promoting through your link, and they have also visited the same page through somebody else's link. So now if the policy is the first cookie wins, so so in that case, if they have visited the product page through your link, which was the first cookie, you would earn the commission. And in case it is the last cookie wins, then the person visiting that page through the last affiliate link will earn the commission. So there are more intricacies in that. For example, the sub affiliates, and then the second tier or 2-tier affiliate programs. So if you want to learn that, do subscribe this channel. I'm going to explain that in subsequent videos. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.